Are you in the market for a supercar that roars like an F1 car and turns heads wherever it goes? If so, the Aventador SVJ might just be what you're looking for. Although the Aventador platform, which spanned over 11 years of production, concluded in July 2022, the SVJ still stands out as an icon. But is it worth buying today? In this video, I'll dive into its specs, cost, potential issues, and available modification options to help you decide. The Aventador SVJ is equipped with a mid-mounted naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that revs up to 8,500 RPM, delivering 770 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. This powers the wheels through its 7-speed single-clutch robotized manual gearbox. With its power and a weight of 3,362 pounds, this vehicle can go from 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 218 miles per hour. It's also equipped with rear-wheel steering, which enhances maneuverability, making it easier to navigate tight spaces. Its incredible performance comes at the cost of fuel efficiency, offering one of the worst ranges among supercars, just 9 miles per gallon in the city, 16 miles per gallon on the highway, and an average of 11 miles per gallon overall. The Aventador SVJ is a supercar that truly looks the part, combining aggressive styling with advanced aerodynamics. With its low, wide stance measuring nearly 189 inches long, 80 inches wide, and just under 45 inches tall, it immediately grabs your attention. The iconic scissor doors add a touch of drama every time they open, a signature feature that screams Lamborghini. This car isn't just about looks, though. It's designed to perform. The active Aero ALA system, along with the rear wing and diffuser, work together to keep the car glued to the road at high speeds. The mid-mounted exhaust pipes enhance its fierce rear view, making it clear that this car means business. The SVJ's 4-active suspension system adapts to the road and your driving style, ensuring that it's always ready for whatever the journey throws at it. On the ground, it's equipped with Pirelli P0 Corsa tires, and stopping power is delivered through massive carbon ceramic brakes, 400mm discs with 6-piston calipers up front, and 380mm discs with 4-piston calipers at the rear. The interior of the Aventador SVJ is a bold statement of Lamborghini's dedication to both luxury and performance. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel feels both premium and race-ready, providing a tactile connection to the car. Behind it is also where the large paddle shifters are located. The massive center console separates the driver from their passenger and a digital dashboard. Every surface is sculpted with detailed angles, reflecting the car's exterior aggression inside the cockpit. The starter button, tucked under a fighter jet-style cover, adds to the thrill of firing up the engine. True to its supercar roots, the Aventador SVJ keeps things minimalistic. There's no glove box, no door bins, and no cup holders, only having a small net basket behind the seats. This stripped-down interior emphasizes that the SVJ is all about the driving experience, with no distractions, just pure, unfiltered performance. The cost to purchase one of these supercars ranges from $590,000 to $900,000, with additional maintenance expenses ranging from $9,000 to $50,000, depending on the level of service required. You might expect a $1 million car to be flawless, but the Aventador SVJ does have some issues that could deter potential buyers. The first drawback is the lack of storage space inside the cabin, as it only offers a small net basket behind the seats. This can be addressed with aftermarket parts to add more storage options. Another concern is the outdated infotainment system, which comes from a decade-old Audi SUV. Fortunately, you can upgrade it to a newer system with Apple CarPlay without replacing the OEM setup. Lastly, the single-clutch robotized manual transmission, while adding to the raw driving experience, is significantly slower than a dual-clutch transmission and can be prone to failure, especially if the car is frequently driven in traffic. Transmission failures have been reported by many owners, with repair costs reaching up to $55,000. However, before opting for a full transmission replacement, it's worth checking other components. Common causes of transmission issues include e-gear pump failures, solenoid failures, and loose M8 counter screws, all of which can affect the voltage needed to shift gears. The SVJ is an incredible machine right out of the factory, but if you're someone who loves to personalize and enhance your car, there are several modifications that can make your SVJ even more special. For instance, you can amplify the roar of that V12 engine with an exhaust modification to replicate the sound of an F1 car. Brands like Novitec, Gintani, and VF Engineering specialize in creating exhaust systems that achieve this. If you're looking to boost performance, companies like Gintani, VF Engineering, Eurocharged, and VR Tuned offer tunes that increase horsepower and torque. VR Tuned can add 10 more horsepower and 20 more torque, while Gintani's tune offers 30 more horsepower and 18 more torque. VF Engineering provides a similar increase of 30 horsepower and 22 torque, and Eurocharged's Stage 1 tune delivers a 30 horsepower and 42 torque boost. Beyond performance enhancements, you can also add aftermarket carbon fiber parts to make your SVJ stand out. Novatech offers a wide range of carbon fiber components, and 1016 Industries even provides a functional roof scoop that not only adds a unique look but also improves cooling performance for your SVJ. Don't forget to check out my last video by clicking right here. Thank you for watching. As always, see you in the next one.